First, I just comb through my hair with a wide tooth comb, get all the tangles and whatnot out.
Trying Zendaya's curly hair routine, but on my type 3 curls. My hair is clean. I just had a shower and deep conditioned, all the good things you need to do.
Make sure your hair is all wet.
My hair's already wet out of the shower, but I gotta re-wet it, and re-wet it again. She is so right, because look at that fro. It's froing. Looks so good straight out the shower, but just using a wide tooth comb is not enough for my hair. I had to go in with my detangle brush as well, because we don't want to start on knotted hair. Considering there's no products, yeah, it's looking good. Looking so good.
And then I use my special juice.
I decided to use SKALA Expert, the cream conditioner. It's thick.
And I just put that in my palm. I put a lot of it in my hair and I just run it evenly through my hair.
Now, for me, usually I section my hair into like 8-9 sections before I just apply a product. But this is interesting.
This basically just helps define the curls or the waves or whatever that I have, and without making it crunchy.
Guessing this will be volume, especially for my hair. This product was so smooth, it was crazy. My hands were just running through my hair like nothing else. Zendaya's curls are always so soft, defined and effortless, but she's got a different curl type than I do. So I'm really curious to see how this plays out on my hair, but let's trust the process and see how it comes out. It is looking good already, like you can see definition. And this is quick. I'm finding this application proper quick. I don't think I could use a gel this quick, but I usually brush my hair as well to evenly distribute the product, but we're doing it her way, styling the Zendaya way.
The curls are looking juicy.
So this is why her curls are always soft. And not much came out. I'm applying my product on wet hair, just like Zendaya's method. I feel like I should have worked in sections because, duh, type 3 curls don't play games. But I'm going to do it her way and see how it comes out.
Then I dry my hair with a microfiber cloth.
I've got to say, this is her best tip so far. Microfiber cloth or a towel, or you can use a t-shirt. They really are so much better than using a towel. Those normal towels cause frizz. Oh, no.
Microfiber is much better for your hair than like regular towels,
which can result in more breakage because the frizz is adding more tangles, and yeah, it ain't good. But still no gel. Oh, how long is this gonna last? Scrunching, I never scrunch, but I'm doing that because that's what she's doing, and yeah, we'll see. I'm sure that scrunching adds volume before the hair's dry.
And then get a diffuser.
Wow, this is the quickest curly hair routine I've ever done. Quickest. If this comes out good, I'm going to be doing this every week.
This is the longest part. It takes forever.
I usually diffuse on medium heat and high speed, but I never stay at the same spot for a long time. And yes, it takes me ages, forever, but it's so much quicker than air drying. My hair can take 6 to 8 hours if I just let it air dry. So this is a time saver for me.
Just keep doing it until your hair is completely dry.
And my curls do come out much better when I diffuse. I'm not sure if they last longer, but depending on the product I use, I sometimes get less frizz from diffusing. So how long does the diffusing process take for me? Well, it depends on the product, but usually between 20 and 45 minutes. Compared to the 6 to 8 hours to air dry, I mean, that's nothing. Nothing. Curl creams actually take less time, and lighter products take less time, whereas gels and heavier products take closer to the 45 minutes to dry. Can you already see the volume? With a little bit of frizz? I thought as much, but it's looking good on day one. Come on. This routine is great if you want a lot of volume on day one. Okay, here's the finished look. I mean, I'm not Zendaya, but this definition and the curls are super hydrated. It feels soft, there's volume, there's frizz as expected. And check the definition. Okay, no crunch really, no stickiness. I didn't think this cream was gonna work this well. This product, I'm gonna have to try it how I usually do my hair, but this is giving some good results. Okay, Zendaya, your routine ain't bad, girl. It ain't bad at all.
Ooh, curls popping. All right, there we have it.
So what did I actually learn from trying out Zendaya's curly hair routine on my type 3 curl texture? Simplicity works, yeah. Lightweight products plus moisture plus gentle techniques equals definition, volume, major volume, frizz, and bounce. Soft curls. Yes, girl. What kind of leave-in makes your hair look this good? That's crazy, right? Zendaya, you're onto something. Wow. There's volume. It looks good. Better than I expected, to be honest. Not bad. This is day one. The question is, how long is this gonna last me? Well, let me tell you, it lasted me 2 days and I was done. I'll show you day 2 in a second, but it was frizzy. Would I do it again? Absolutely. When I'm in a rush and I need to go somewhere quick, this is my go-to, or my curls aren't defined anymore, I would definitely do this again. What kind of leave-in conditioner is this good? Wow, I haven't used any other product. Leave-in and that's it. Wow, the definition. Guys, this is day 2.
Oh, no.
Yeah, look at that. Eesh. Under, it's not so bad. If you try it, please put it in the comments. Tag me on Instagram. I want to know how it turned out for you. Not gonna last me another day even. I mean, it will, but nah. Thanks so much for watching Curls by Sharlene. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, what are you waiting for? And why not hit the bell button so you're notified every time I post a new video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Peace out.